Hot or cold? Big or small? Let's learn 50 opposite words in English. Big. Big. The elephant is very big. Small. Small. She lives in a small house. Fast. Fast. The car is very fast. Slow. Slow. The turtle moves slow. Old. Old. This is an old book. Young. Young. He is a young athlete. Hot. Hot. The soup is too hot. Cold. Cold. The water is cold. Tall. Tall. He is tall for his age. Short. Short. She has short hair. Early. Early. I woke up early today. Late. Late. He arrived late. Easy. Easy. The exam was easy. Difficult. Difficult. The question was difficult. Happy. Happy. She looks happy. Sad. Sad. He felt sad. Rich. Rich. The man is rich. Poor. Poor. They lived in a poor town. Clean. Clean. The room is clean. Dirty. Dirty. His hands are dirty. Full. Full. The cup is full. Empty. Empty. The bottle is empty. Strong. Strong. She is strong. Weak. Weak. He felt weak. Noisy. Noisy. The market is noisy. Quiet. Quiet. The library is quiet. Open. Open. The door is open. Closed. Closed. The shop is closed. Light. Light. The bag is light. Heavy. Heavy. The box is heavy. Thick. Thick. The book is thick. Thin. Thin. The paper is thin. Wide. Wide. The road is wide. Narrow. Narrow. The path is narrow. Deep. Deep. The pool is deep. Shallow. Shallow. The river is shallow. Kind. Kind. She is kind. Mean. Mean. He was mean. Bright. Bright. The sun is bright. Dark. Dark. The sky turned dark. Sweet. Sweet. The cake is sweet. Sour. Sour. The lemon is sour. Safe. Safe. The area is safe. Dangerous. Dangerous. The road is dangerous. Hard. Hard. The floor is hard. Soft. Soft. The bed is soft. Expensive. Expensive. The watch is expensive. Cheap. Cheap. The shoes are cheap. Polite. Polite. She is polite. Rude. Rude. He is rude. Busy. Busy. She is busy today. Free. Free. I am free tonight. Modern. Modern. They live in a modern home. Ancient. Ancient. The ruins are ancient. Healthy. Healthy. She eats healthy food. Unhealthy. Unhealthy. Soda is unhealthy. Alive. Alive. The fish is alive. Dead. Dead. The phone is dead. Honest. Honest. She is honest. Dishonest. Dishonest. He was dishonest. Brave. Brave. She is brave. Cowardly. Cowardly. He acted cowardly. Fresh. Fresh. The fruit is fresh. Stale. Stale. The bread is stale. Generous. Generous. He is generous. Selfish. Selfish. She is selfish. Public. Public. The park is public. Private. Private. This area is private. Smooth. Smooth. The surface is smooth. Rough. Rough. The wall is rough. Fantastic! You learned 50 opposites. Next, let's talk about feelings and emotions in English.